Preposition. Do you know what a preposition is? Preposition is a word that tells us where a person, an animal, and a thing. Example: in, on, under, behind, beside, etc. In other words, on, in, under, behind, beside are position words. See, I have some pictures of table, pencil, ball, bag, boy, and flower. Let's start our activity. This is a table, and tell me, where is a pencil? Yes, a pencil is on the table. Here, on tells us where the pencil is. So, on is a preposition. Now, tell me, where is the bag? Yes, the bag is under the table. Here, under tells us where the bag is. So, under is a preposition. Now, here is another picture. Where is the ball? Yes, it is beside the table. And beside is a preposition. Very good. Next, see the boy. Where is he standing? He is standing behind the table. And behind is? Excellent. It's a preposition. See the last picture. It's a pot and a flower. So tell me, where is the flower? Very good. It is in the pot. And in is a preposition. Very good, girls. Hope you have learnt where and how you will use these prepositions in your daily sentences. Take care. Bye-bye.